So the concept that resonates with me most is described in chapter 6. It's called the W curve model, and that's exactly what I experienced when I moved to the United States and then went back home and then came here again. I've experienced anticipation first when I got to the US. I was so excited. You can see my clips from New York. I was over the moon.
Я не могу словами передать, как много у меня эмоций, глаза разбегаются повсюду.
And then I've had culture shock. For me, it developed more gradually and it took longer time. When I already moved to Los Angeles, I was shocked because it was my first time actually living in the States on my own and being responsible for bills and stuff. So I've experienced culture shock back then. It was very sad and I did not like living alone and I always was really homesick. So I don't have that documented on the video because I try not to remember sadness, but there was a lot of mourning inside of me. I was quite sad. It was just so unusual. I was all by myself and I didn't like it that much. And then my adjustment stage happened when I finally met my boyfriend, got my own car, got my job, kind of was more established here in LA. I experienced the adjustment stage when everything kind of got stable. I was feeling like I'm the part of this society. I was feeling like I am actually native now to LA, even though I'm not, but I just feel like this is home now.
Do you ever wonder what opportunities your life gives you? All the adventures, beautiful and crazy things that you can do. The traveling and goals that you have yet to accomplish. I am Alex Wright, and this is my journey.
So we are about to get a dog today and a little puppy. And her name is Sibir. Sibir.
Sibir. Sibir.
She smells so good. She smells like a puppy.
Oh, look at медведь.
Okay, it's first time at home. Smiling everything.
But then I've experienced the second part of the W curve when I went back to Russia for the summer break. So at first I was really excited in Moscow. It was nice seeing everything that I've missed so much, the food and the culture, different beautiful places and the architecture. That was all really cool.
Tough chainy thoughts in a high-class woman coat. Your head goes down in a weak reflection, although you know your strength, which is helping you to breathe.
Why did you guys come to Moscow?
Vacation.
It's our first time visit.
How do you like Russia so far?
It's great. Great weather.
Great weather?
Yeah,
How do you like the people and the culture?
Yeah, I like the people.
Where you guys are from?
Hong Kong.
Oh, nice. Ni hao. Oh, how do you guys like Russia so far?
Very clean.
Very clean.
Beautiful.
Oh, thank you. How do you like the people?
Very cooperative and helpers.
Thank you. If you guys ever wondering whether you should travel to Russia, to Moscow or not, come here, guys. We're super nice. People are nice. These beautiful places are over there. I'm sitting on the Red Square right now and it's gorgeous.
But then later, I had experienced the culture shock when I actually went to my hometown in Siberia in Russia, where people were really rude. There's nothing to do, nothing to see. I was just sitting in the same old coffee shop reading the same old book. I was kind of like, I was bummed that the only nice people or like semi honest people were the homeless who did not care about anything. But other than that, people were just so rude and kind of like selfish and judgmental. I did not like that, and I wanted to go back home now to Los Angeles, what I mean home. But then after 3 or 4 weeks being in my hometown in Russia, I adjusted. That was the adjustment stage, and I realized that alright, it's okay, I can bear with it. I'm kind of one of them now. My American now accent when I sounded Russian slowly disappeared, and now I feel like okay, I'm fine, but then I want to go home back to LA, which I consider home now.